Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. I'm David Gafford.
And I'm Melissa.
And today we're going to teach you how to make our own from scratch coleslaw dressing. Since we do barbecue recipes all the time, we're always asked about what do you use for barbecue sides? Do you have a coleslaw recipe? Do you have a dressing recipe? So we want to share our coleslaw dressing recipe with you right now. So Melissa, tell us what we have down here and what we're going to do with it.
All right, we have some mayonnaise, some apple cider vinegar, celery seed, dry ground mustard, sugar, salt, and pepper.
All right, so with this recipe, this is enough to make for a whole 16-ounce bag of coleslaw, right?
Correct.
Okay, so we have a bag of coleslaw, we have our dressing. Let's incorporate this together. Walk us through what you would do. Anything special, or is it just mix it together?
Just mix it together.
All right, well, let's put this thing together and see what we get. So we have the dressing pulled together, and this is about the consistency that we're really looking for when it comes to a coleslaw dressing. And it's a little bit runny, but you can see all the seasonings throughout there. You can see the celery seed, you can see that pepper, and you can see all that, maybe even a little bit of dry mustard just for color. But the whole idea is this is a good looking coleslaw dressing, and all we need to do now is mix this into our coleslaw and let it get incorporated and start to macerate. So our coleslaw has been pulling together, releasing some of the moisture that was inside the slaw, and we have this gorgeous looking coleslaw here. All that's left to do is give it a little bit of a taste test. You ready?
Yep.
It's vinegary, it's sweet, it's tangy. That's what I've come to know in our coleslaw recipe.
Yeah, it's
So,
really good.
If you haven't ever made your own coleslaw dressing, not super hard.
No.
The thing is you've got to just know the ratios of things to put in there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, our whole goal is to help make you a better pitmaster and a better cook for your friends, neighbors, and loved ones. So if you enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel. Give us a notification click there as well. That way when we put out a new video, we'll let you know when one comes out so you don't miss anything. But the whole idea here is you can make this at home. No reason why you can't. It's a perfect barbecue side. So I'm David, and this is Melissa from the Barbecue Lab. We want to say thank you for joining us, and we'll see you right here next time.